Blood vessels, from aorta to capillaries, form another kind of continuum. They branch and divide and branch again until they become so narrow that blood cells are forced to slide through single file. The space, air against earth, plane to present past smooth or open-ended. In a closed space, hold the fort. Airing oneself, move to another. Its mode open-ended, air against earth. Plane to present, air against earth, the space of Nomad thought is qualitatively different from state space. Hold the fort, hold the street. Airing oneself in an open space, as opposed to the logos of entrenching oneself in a closed space. Blood vessels, from aorta to capillaries, form another kind of continuum. Air against earth. They branch and divide and branch again until they become so narrow that blood cells are forced to slide through single file. In order to that plane to present paths between fixed and indefinable points. Nomad space is smooth. Hold the fort. Another kind of continuum. In a horizontal plane, and limited by the order of that plane to present paths between fixed and indefinable points. The space of Nomad thought is qualitatively different. Air against earth, earth against air, earth. Logos of entrenching oneself in a closed space. Divide and branch again. Rise up at any point. They branch and divide and branch again until they become so narrow. The hold, the street, the space of Nomad is air against earth. Logos of enriching oneself. Slide through a single file. Hold the fort. From another kind of continuum.